Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert box icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we will open which I have opened before. So in this Microsoft Word file or Microsoft Word page, we will go to the insert options, click here the icons options. So icon what have icons, insert an icon to visually communicate using symbol. The meanings is that, so click here. We want the box icon, so click here. The box icon has been presenting here. So if we press 1, then if we mark 1, then insert then click the insert, then inserted 1. If we click multiple box sign, then insert. See, if we press here, now we will take this here, the box 1 2 3. See here, now we wanna do the lots of thing, or we wanna play lots of thing. If we want to this, see, increasing or decreasing the box size, box icons, or any kinds of icon search. So here this with text wrapping, so if we press this, click here, and the text wrapping, we can easily move here, and we can move this. See, the box icons has been front side, and the right things or right sentence or right words has been back side here. So in this way we can change these things. So when we change these things, or when we move these things, so here we will press here and drop down or mark or moving here. So now we will do the lots of thing here, the graphics fill. So any case of color according to our workable thing, so click here. So red is a remarkable things has been clear or appear. So here if we want, then we want to do the graphics outline. So how it will work, you press this and see outline, press here, as well as we can do the weight, that means the increase or decrease the outline. So how, see, the size has been increased in this sections, or if you want to do the more sign, the more sign option has been revealed. So close this, and we will do mark this graphics format, outline has been saved. Now you want to do what, the graphics effects. So how it, lots of thing has been revealed. See, shadow sign, shadow, see, then the reflection, glow, see, the glow scene has been soft edge, see, the soft edge, bevel way, we can do this, the 3D rotation. So by default the system has been clicked here. So in this way we want to play in this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.